Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will be participating in the Pink Summer Decor Challenge hosted by Antoinette of Decorating Ants Place and my beautiful friend Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor. Also Tammy of Glam Queen of DIYs, and last but not least, Sully of MyStyleMyColours. And we were asked to present a display or a vignette using any shade of pink in any room of our choice. I will leave the links to all the channels, including the playlist link, in my description box below. If you are looking for some great inspiration, I hope that you will go over to these ladies' channels and check them out. Okay, so I think I'm going to be using this tray that I just thrifted when I was in Georgia. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be leaving it as is or if I'm going to be spray painting this black. Not sure, but I'm going to give this a good cleaning up and I'll let you see how I style it. So I have decided to decorate this little side table next to my entryway bench. And as you can see, I have my tray sitting on it. And these gorgeous peonies were just waiting for me as I returned. A couple more days, guys, and I would have lost them. If you can just smell them. So I've added a couple things on my tray, and I have the LED candle that I already had. I've added the green moss ball, and I was actually going to spray paint that pink because I've seen them on Amazon in pink. But I knew that if I had ordered them, I most likely would not have gotten them in time. And then I realized that I was out of my pink spray paint. So I've decided to leave it green for now. I've also added that cute little pink car, and I'm calling that my SUV. And what a coincidence, guys. On the bottom it says Road Trip 2021 Collection. What a coincidence. I am truly loving that little pink car. And the little box next to it, I call that a pillbox. I've also picked that up from Hobby Lobby. And I've also decided to add the polka dot ribbon that also came from Hobby Lobby on my white picture that I've had for at least a couple years. And I believe I got that from Home Goods. And I have a little crocheted doily on the bottom. So guys, I truly had no idea where I was gonna go with this collaboration. So thank God for these peonies. made a little adjustment with my ribbon, so hopefully you can see that. I hope you enjoy this collaboration and what I came up with. I hope that you will let me know in the comments down below what you think. And guys, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living family. I would love to have you here. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank the host and all of the co-hosts. And please remember, guys, to go over to each and everyone's channels and show them some love. I appreciate all of you for taking the time out of your busy schedules to watch my videos over and over. I truly, truly appreciate you all. And thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for all your support, your lovely comments. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care and God bless.